Hey everybody, this is Andy. In this video, I'm going to show you my progress. So 3 years or 2 years ago, I made these. And I also made some background images like this, 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 and this. And I also made an animating bunny like this. I'm going to show you a set of images. So this is the first, then this, then this, this, and this. I also made some 3D objects like this chair. I also made a desk, and I also made this. I also made like armor, and I also made some backgrounds in 3D like this and this, and also this, and I also modeled a rice cooker. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I also hope that you like my models and animations that I showed you, and see you next video. Bye.